I'm Les Wilkinson with the law firm of Wilkinson Magruder, your Social Security disability attorneys. I'm here with my law partner Andy Magruder to talk about the recent changes in the Social Security law that might affect you in applying for Social Security disability. And there have been a number of different changes that have now taken effect and will affect your ability to receive disability benefits. And one of the things we talk about, or Social Security talks about too, do you meet a listing? And so Andy, we hear that term and that's in the opinions. What is a listing?
Well, Les, Social Security uses a 5-step sequential process to determine if someone is disabled. And briefly what that means is they ask 5 questions. The first is someone engaging in substantial gainful activity? In other words, are they working and earning a certain amount of money over a certain level? Number 2, do they have what's called a serious impairment? And that means a medical condition that can affect their ability to perform work. The third thing that Social Security asks is, do they meet a listing? And what a listing is, Social Security has looked at all the body systems, the orthopedic, the heart system, the orthopedic system, all these sorts of the sight, the sounds, all these body systems that we have. And if someone has a medical condition that is so severe that they meet certain objective medical criteria, then they're determined to be disabled right then and there. And Social Security doesn't look at whether they can do their past relevant work or any other job. So that's what a listing is. Now these listings have changed, some of them over the last 12 months, have they not, Les?
They certainly have, and certainly in some ways that are going to make it very difficult for claimants who were able to get disability before to get disability. For instance, the mental health listings are changing. In particular, things like PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. We represent a lot of veterans who have post-traumatic stress disorder. However, before, where it was much easier for the Social Security Administration to accept what the VA said about the PTSD, it's going to be a lot more difficult now because the regulations have changed. And so, Andy, what other listings have changed that are really going to impact our clients?
Well, in addition to the mental health listing, the immune system listings, specifically those that affect people with HIV, have changed, as well as the neurological listings regarding neurological diseases. So Social Security, again, has modified these listings, and with most of their changes that they've implemented over the last 12 months, they make it more difficult for claimants to be found disabled.
Thank you.